How to avoid crooked scans or copies when using HP multifunction printers. If your scanned or copied documents are coming out misaligned or skewed in any way, this video will explain best practices for scanning or copying from HP printers with scanner glass and an automatic document feeder, or ADF for short. Tips for loading paper into an ADF. Smooth out any folds or curls in your documents before inserting them into the ADF, otherwise they might cause a paper jam. Make sure that the cover on the document feeder is securely latched. To properly close the cover, press down on it until you hear a click. Fan the edge of the stack of documents that will be going into the document feeder, and then fan the same edge in the opposite direction. Place the long edge of the document parallel to the paper guides. Center the paper using the guides so that they lightly touch the document stack, but do not bend the stack. Any space between the paper guide and the edge of the documents might result in misalignment. If the edge of the document is frayed or folded, rotate the document 180 degrees to feed the other edge of the paper into the document feeder. This will make the document appear upside down, but you can rotate the document to be right side up through your scanning software. Clean the ADF rollers. Over time, the scanning rollers for an ADF can become worn or accumulate dirt and debris. Clean the rollers if they are visibly dirty, or after scanning a document that has pencil writing on it. This can be done by dampening a microfiber cloth with distilled water and then gently rotate the rollers as you clean off debris or buildup. Be sure to also clean the rollers located underneath the ADF lid using the same method. If the rollers show sign of wear or are worn smooth, replace the rollers. Scanner glass tips. If you are scanning less common documents, such as photos, ID cards, or documents on wrinkled or lightweight paper, use the scanning glass. Lift the flatbed scanner lid and take note of the scanner position marker located in the upper left corner near the scanner glass. This marker might vary depending on the model. Place the document or letter page face down on the scanner glass and align the width and length to match the scan position marker. For ID cards, leave at least a 1/4 inch of space between the edges of the card and the edges of the glass. Close the scanner lid and follow the control panel instructions to scan the document. Clean the scanner glass. If the scanner glass is dirty, use a microfiber cloth to remove the buildup from the glass and from the ADF glass strip on the side. Be sure to also clean the surfaces on the top of the lid as well. If the buildup cannot be easily removed, the cloth can be dampened with a light amount of window cleaner to help. Note, the amount of cleaner should be just enough to remove the dirt. Too much cleaner might leave traces on the glass after it dries. After the dampened cloth, a dry cloth should be used to wipe off the scanner glass. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.